Hey everybody, we're Nick and Kaylee with Learnin the Ropes, and today we are going to be talking about how to incorporate jump rope into your workout.
So a lot of people, when they're using jump rope in their workouts, the kind of go-to is to use it as a warm-up or 20 minutes of cardio at the end of your workout. Those things aren't wrong. I think they're great. However, there are so many different ways that you can use jump rope in your workouts that are fun, that are effective. And so we're going to share 3 of those different options with you today, and hopefully you'll find something that you love. So the first way that we love to incorporate jump rope in our workouts is using intervals. And so the intervals that I'm going to show you, you can incorporate these within your workout to kind of intersperse them amongst your sets, or you can save them all for the end, however you want to do it, okay? But here's the example. Set your clock for a 30-second timer on repeat. Your first 30 seconds is going to be some kind of jump rope, all right? So you're jumping, maybe you're doing speed steps or double unders, whatever feels good for you, okay? That second 30 seconds, you drop your rope and you go into a body weight exercise of your choice. Maybe it's squats, maybe it's something like push-ups or something like that. Then your third 30 seconds is going to be a rest, all right? So you're resting, you're kind of stretching, whatever you need to do, and then jump right back in, pun intended, in that next 30-second interval, back to your jump rope, okay? Repeat that for as many minutes as you want. Remember, you can intersperse that in your workout, or you can put it at the end. It's going to get your heart rate up, and you're going to get a great, fun workout.
So the second way that we like to incorporate jump rope into our workouts is simply trying skills, all right? So maybe towards the end of your workout, give yourself about 10, 15 minutes and just try some skills. Some of the skills that you can try, or maybe some footwork skills, so like some skiers, where you go side to side, bells forward and backwards, maybe jumping on one foot, some side straddles. So those are some examples of footwork skills. You can do some crossing skills, so a simple crisscross, some side crosses, locked cross, just holding it just like so. You can even add some rotation, so like a full turn, right? You can do a 180, you can do a 360. So those are some fun ones that you can do. And then lastly, one thing that you can do is some of our power skills or more strength skills. And one of the best ones is just your jump rope burpee or a basic push-up, right? So if you just simply try any of those skills while you're at the end of your workout, it's going to be fun. You're going to burn some more calories, and you're going to enjoy that segment of your workout.
The third way that we love to use jump rope in our workouts is jumping to music. So what we recommend is starting off with a relatively slow beat. Not crazy slow, because that's actually kind of hard, but start off with something around like 120 beats a minute, okay? See if you can establish that rhythm, jump to that beat. Then once you're comfortable, bump it up to 130 beats a minute. And then once you're comfortable with that, you can keep bumping it to 140, maybe even 150, right? If you're super crazy. And then to make it even more fun, like we talked about earlier, try some of those skills that we worked on, but do it to the beat of your music, okay? So again, once you're comfortable with a certain cadence, you can either bump it up or you can start incorporating these different skills, right? Again, you're gonna have so much fun, you're gonna get a workout, and you might not even realize you're working out. That's the benefit of it, all right? So jump to music, I think you'll love it.
So those are our 3 ways to incorporate jump rope into your workout. So next time you're working out, think about it for a second.
Yes.
Are you gonna jump to some music? Are you gonna try some skills? Or maybe do a little bit of interval? Either way, you're gonna burn some calories, you're gonna have some fun, and you'll probably sweat as well.
Probably so, probably so. So we are almost out of here. Make sure though, before you exit out, look below, click subscribe, because we want to hang out with you more. And then look in the description. We have some great rope options down there. Really good information for you. But I think that's all for now.
That's it.
We will see you next time.